right, hi everyone. This is our final math lesson for the year. Are you so excited? This is math lesson 162. Woohoo! So, for our math lesson today, we're going to kind of review a little bit, and then we're going to learn a new concept. We're going to start with our new concept that we're going to learn. Now, if you look at the board, we've been comparing numbers greater than or less than. And then we started comparing different math combinations, like 12 minus 10, and then 5 plus 5, and you'd have to compare them together to see if they're greater than, less than, or today we're going to learn about this sign right here. We have greater than, less than, and then equal. That's our equal sign. I'm going to get another marker here. This one's a little, excuse me, it's running low on ink. So we have greater than, less than, and equal. The equal means that it's the same. Okay, equal means the same. Can you say that? Equal means the same in this case. So we're going to go through these problems right now, and we're going to see if they're greater than, less than, or equal. So let's look at this one. We have 12 minus 9. 12 minus 9 is 3. So I'm going to write a 3 right below here. That's going to help me remember. Okay, and then I'm going to go over here. 13 minus 3. 13 minus 3, that's a big one. 13 minus 3, let's see. Let's count back by 13 3 times. Ready? 13, 12, 11, 10. 13 minus 3 is 10. So we have the numbers 3 and 10. So is 12 minus 9 is 3. 13 minus 3 is 10. So is 12 minus 9 greater than 13 minus 3? Or is 12 minus 9 less than 13 minus 3, or is 12 minus 9 equal with 13 minus 3? And the correct answer, 12 minus 9 is less than 13 minus 3, because this one is more than this one. All right, let's go to the next one. We have 4 plus 3. 4 plus 3, and that equals 7. Now let's go over here. 7 minus 3. 7 minus 3 equals 4. So now, is 4 plus 3, which equals 7, greater than 7 minus 3, which equals 4? Or is 4 plus 3 less than 7 minus 3? And the correct answer would be that 4 plus 3 is greater than 7 minus 3. You understanding so far? Okay, let's go to this next one. We have 5 minus 0. That's an easy one. That equals 5. Now let's go over here. 10 minus 5 equals 5. Oh, 5 and 5. So that means, since these are the same numbers, that this problem, this one, is equal. It's the same, because 5 minus 0 equals 5. 10 minus 5 equals 5. So it's equal. It's the same. Does that make sense? All right, let's go to this next row. We have a couple more here. Let me turn my camera. There we go. We have 6 plus 3. 6 plus 3 equals 9. Now let's go over here. 7 minus 5. 7 minus 5 equals 2. All right, so is 6 plus 3 greater than 7 minus 5, or is 6 plus 3 less than 7 minus 5, or is 6 plus 3 equal to 7 minus 5? And the correct answer is 6 plus 3 is greater than 7 minus 5. All right, last one, 4 plus 4, and that equals 8. Now let's go over here. 10 minus 2. 10 minus 2 is 8. Oh, they're the same numbers. So that means that this one is equal. If it's the same, it's going to be equal. All right, so that's our new concept, greater than, less than, and equal. All right, now, I want you to look at the back of your paper there, and I'm going to move my camera a little bit. Forgive me. All right, so yesterday in our lesson we talked about multiplication. Woohoo! So section 1 on the back of your paper, you'll see 4 dimes, and Miss Williams also has 1, 2, 3, 4 dimes on the board. Now, the first question asks you how many dimes there are, and that answer is, of course, 4. There are 4 dimes. So next to A, it would be 4. Oh, you can't even see that. I'm sorry. So next to A, you would write 4. Okay. Now B says how many cents in each dime. Okay, so let me ask you, how much is a dime worth? B, a dime is worth 10 cents. So we're going to write 10. What do we count by to find how many cents in all? How much are the dimes worth? So we count by 10. So C is going to be 10 also. Now D says how many cents in all? So let's count. 10, 20, 30, 40. So now E, write the multiplication fact. What do you think the first number is going to be? The first number is going to be how many dimes? How many dimes are there? There are 4. Okay, so that's always going to be the first number, is how many of something there is. Now the second number, how did we count to figure out how much money was here? We counted by tens. So that's my second number. Oh, look at that. First number, second number. Now, 4 times 10 is not going to be 10. 4 times 10. 10, 20, 30, 40. 4 times 10. Here's 4 dimes. We're going to count by tens. 10, 20, 30, 40. So 4 times 10 equals, what do you think it is? It is 40. Now what if we had 5 dimes up here? The numbers would be 5 times 10, and that would be 50. What if we had 6 dimes up here? It would be 6 times 10, and that would be, the answer would be 60, so on and so forth, okay? So that is a little bit more about multiplication. Do you feel a little smarter in that area? Hope so. All right. Section 4, there is a word problem for you to complete. Let's look at section 5. I'm going to say the combinations to you. You're going to need to write the answers down. Okay, box A, 5 plus 7. 5 plus 7. Box B, 12 minus 8. 12 minus 8. Box C, 6 plus 6. 6 plus 6. Box D, 9 minus 5. 9 minus 5. Box E, 8 minus 4. 8 minus 4. And box F, 9 plus 4. 9 plus 4. Okay, let me go through those one more time. Box A is 5 plus 7. Box B is 12 minus 8. Box C is 6 plus 6. Box D is 9 minus 5. Box E, 8 minus 4. And box F, 9 plus 4. Okay? All right. Now, look at the front of your paper. Actually, let me see here. Section 2 on the back, you're circling the digit that's in the hundreds place. So remember, you have the ones place, tens place, and then hundreds place. All right. Look at the front of your paper. Section 1 on the front, you're writing the combinations. You're going to write the 2 addition and then 2 subtraction. All right, section 2. Let's see here. Section 2, you need to count how many dots are on each of those little rectangles there, and then you need to mark the number that is half of the number that you counted. So look at the first one. There's green dots. Let's count those. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So there's 10 dots on that first rectangle. What's half of 10? The choices are 4, 5, or 6. What is the correct answer? Half of 10 is 5. Okay, so do the same thing with the other ones. Section 3, you're writing the sums and differences. Then section 4, it says count by ones from 201 to 220. Color the odd numbers yellow. Okay, and then it has some questions. How many rows of odd numbers? Odd numbers in each row. So you're going to count each row and how many odd numbers were in each row, and then odd numbers in all. Okay? All right, so that completes our math lesson for today. Hope you have a great day. And actually, this is our last math lesson for the year. It's kind of sad. But I love you all so much. See you later.